Hi, good morning. First day of 2019. This is January 2nd, and I am going to show you what's happening in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Get into the system here. First thing to look at is look at this over here. My Lord. We have only our sales dropped way off here, and our active, of course, a lot of people didn't between November we had 10,900 properties in the market, and then December 9,600. Of course, that's a far cry from where we were down here. New drop. Oh well, look at that. That's just December though. That's not counting January. Entire MLS, 3,200 homes, which puts a supply of 2.8 months of inventory on our books as of the end of December. So let's see what we got going on today. Okay, new listings. Get this over here. And so we'll go into yesterday's also. Okay, so we have 66 new listings is all we have. And a lot of those are just updates and so on. But only 66 starting today. Go into the map here, and we do per round. Here's Charleston up here. Let's see what else we got. Oh, nothing new outside of the area. So what my market is basically right down in here, southern part of the valley. So what we have as a result here, 57 new listings, priced anywhere from $140 for a 2-bedroom condo up to $2.5 million for this 5,200 square foot home here. Let's see what this, oh, nice little kitchen there. Oh, great outdoor entertainment area. Good curb appeal. Nice walk to the front door. If there's any view here, oh, I love this out here. You can just open up the whole wall and let the outside in. Indoor, outdoor living. That is really nice. Some good photography. That's a very well maintained, very well coordinated closet. I like that. A lot of clothes. Doesn't look like there's a view there. So anyway, that's what we've got going on here. And so how many expireds do we have? 571. Interesting. And 172 sold. Of course, that goes clear back to the end of the year also. So we already have one that's been recorded sold this morning. Interesting. It's on the market one day. A little $170,000 2-story single family home. And that's interesting. It probably closed on the 31st. But that is what we got going on here. So with that in mind, I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day.